Chairman, so report ko na pala to. I'll go down.
But anyway, my term will end today as your national chairman. The term of those people sitting there will also end today. 2 years, nearly 2 years. We started our term May. Ako pa sa May po kami mag-end. At because we are not convention today, mag-end na lang ni karon. To give way also for the new members and the new officers to take charge of our organization. As I have told you in my opening statement, when I opened this convention, where are we now and where are we heading to? Sa tayo mapunta. Where are we now? We are in Iloilo. We are planning again for the next 2 years. Ano bang nagawa namin last time? Na-report na nila ang finance. Meron tayong pera dyan. Napakalaki ng pera natin. 6,000. Malaki yun. Because it is deposited in our bank in the name of the Median Society, not personal account, Median Society account, that whoever will take over our positions will only pass a resolution and they will be signatories again. So di na po may mag-verba o check sila na po. That means that our money, if you can elect a better officers next time, would be safer. Kinamas bangko. That's one. Second, we are able to establish a mortuary funds benefit. Nakahatag na di kusa. We are not praying na makahatag di daghan. At least we are not praying that all of us will die. Ang among inasunti na we were able to prepare for that. The mortuary funds benefits 261 members, but it's there. It's intact. That means that we can always have it inspected, including our list. That's second. Kung nasana tayo ngayon, that's second. First, we're able to have a bank account in the name of the Median Society. Second, we're able to have the mortuary funds benefits, accounts, and money intact. Third, we're able to produce the national identification card. Controlled by the national. Kasi noon, kahit sino may ID. Kahit saan ka makakita may ID. Iba-ibang signatories. Sino ba ang totoo? Well, I'll tell you. Lahat kasi tayo gusto magkaroon ng ID. Sino bang ayaw ng ID? Kasi we are proud being Megans. I should have an ID and show it to you. May ID ako. And I am a member. Kasi yung tattoo natin, aside from this, discuss pa natin mga yan. Marami ng tattoo eh. Bali na to sa akta. Para sigurado dyan.
Kita.
We were able to have the ID. Though only few responded again. But we're able to establish that. Controlling it from the national. Kasi ngayon nga, glorification of those who will duplicate that, who can say that you are not a member if you have your own ID and will allow you to produce your own ID? Who will say that that is not coming from the national? That's why kailangan control ng national yan. Katulad pa ng driver's license, makakuha ka ba ng driver's license aside from the LTO? Saan ka makakuha ng driver's license? Doon sa Caderia. Meron nagagawa doon. Baka is illegal. At na yan, at ang accomplishment ng National Executive Committee. We were able to conduct orientation and reorientation of several chapters. Yan sila din ang gumawa doon. Sila, they really exerted their effort, spending their time, money, their own, just to go around. Because they are committed to do that. Sometimes, inaaway na sila ng asawa nila. Ayaw ko lang kung sino asawa yun. Basta pinaaway na sila. Because they are always absent. Ang sabihin nila, Megans. Ang sinabi ng asawa mo, sige lang ka, Megans. And then, every time they will go out, mag-Megans na punta. Kaya basta Megans gani, di kita ito kaligay. Pag gabi, mag-inom lang kita. Makuli, hubog. Di ka kas Megans, no? May hubog ba? Well, modesty aside, they were able to conduct orientation. Out of those schools that they conducted, both collegiate, senior, and alumni, they were able to receive few responses. Sabi nga, makakagabi, pagkahapon sa meeting namin ng National Executive Committee, it's very discouraging. For the past 2 years, we have been doing a lot. Pero talagang mahina ang response. Sabi ko sa kanya, 2 taon lang yan. Sa akin nga, 1976 pa. For the past 2 years. Wala naman silang ginagawa kundi mag-ikot. Mag-explain. They don't deduct every expense they have from our organization. Sariling pera nila yun. Kasi they wanted to help. Mayroon ito maging officer eh. This is a volunteer organization. If you are an officer, you volunteer your time, money, and effort. Do not volunteer your right. Only time, money, and effort. That is the nature of our duties. That is 4 things. And the big one, pang-5, which I guess one of the most important things is that we were able to legalize our existence. We are now registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission as a legal organization. Legalize na. So yung mga may kalukuhan sa organization, pwede na rin nating iasunto. In as much as our rules and procedure is concerned. Legal. We have already our legal basis. So 5 yun ang accomplishment natin. And siguro, kung may pang-6 man, makikita nyo ngayon that everybody now, especially the senior members of this organization, is united. Whatever they will say, mag-trouble nila, kanila lang yun. But as far as the National Executive Committee is concerned, we are united. Natural man lang yan, may mga diferensya. Ikaw, kung gusto mo yung girlfriend ng Megasyon, magalit ka talaga sa kanya. Pero personal yan, di yan official. Itong mga kaguluhan dito, sabi ko kagabi, I will not listen to that. Kasi ang pagkaalam ko, successful tayo. Di ba tayo successful? Successful tayo. Una, we appointed Labrador as our point man. He's doing his job. Sa mga kapag, sobra-sobra pa nga eh. Second, we're able to look for a venue for the convention. Meron tayong venue. Third, dumating ang mga delegates. We don't need thousands of delegates here. We need only few minds that is correct, mature, and professional to discuss things here. And we are successful. Ewan ko lang mamaya, kanina, kagabi may banday. Di ba? Ano ba yung mamaya gabi?
Agogo.
Awag na yung mag-street ko na. May lang discuss na. Alam mo, kumukulot ang noo eh. But I mean is we are successful. That means that is the best thing that you should remember. We are united, though we have some differences, though we have some arguments, but we are still Megans. Diba? I'll tell you, my friends, my brothers and sisters, I should say, ang pinakamaraming trabaho rito is the NEC, Treasurer, Membership Development Officer, and the National Justice Tribunal. Kung hindi ka marunong dito sa legalities, aawayin ka ng lahat. We were able to resolve cases of the NGT. Si Paul was able to resolve it. Nagtatawagan kami palagi niyan eh. And then, mayroong ibang nagalit sa decision, mayroong ibang hindi magalit. You cannot satisfy everybody. Natural lang yun. Anak mo nga, sa 5 sila, o 6 sila, meron talaga magalit sa iyo dyan. Hindi mo yan talaga maiwasan. But we should have some political will to impose the provision. We should have to impose the CBL. Kasi kung hindi natin yan sundin ang CBL, itako na lang natin yan, sunugin na lang natin yan, and let us not have conventions. Di ba? Ano para saan pa ang CBL natin kung hindi natin sundin yan? Tako natin yan. Wala tayong pasos dito para mag-usapan yan. And we will like gangs, brooks. Yan ang sinasabi ko. We have that CBL. Because we are not an organization of men. We are an organization of rules. We are all professionals. We are students before. Tandaan natin yun. Kaya yung GT, masyado maraming iniisip. Ngayon, meron pa kaming pending niya. Sabi ko kay Paul, hintayin na natin resolutions para maging note na academic. It's easy. I tell you, my brothers and sisters, it's easy to decide on people not related to you. Dinidesisyon na namin ni Paul siguro, hindi Megans. Against Megans, dali ng desisyonan. I don't care kung masaktan siya. Pero between Megans and among Megans, mahirap mag-desisyon. Kasi ayaw mong masaktan. But, as National Justice Tribunal Officers Paul, as your chairman, magalit man kayo sa amin, but we have our mandate to follow. And that mandate should be respected. Respeto namin mandate namin. So we really had our time, but they always give you a day in court. Bigyan namin kayo ng makakatawa once. These are the things that we were able to do as your officers in the leg. Ito ang nagawa namin. Maliliit na bagay. Kami mismo, we are not satisfied. Pero hanggang doon na muna tayo. You cannot change it overnight. Hindi mo pwede kampiyon overnight. Lahat ng problema nasa sa inyo. As chairman, kahit kami, tawagan ka. Tawagan ka kasi may problema doon. Mayroong kalaban doon, mayroong nakulong doon, mayroong initiation doon. Whether you like it or not, pag mayroong initiation, mayroong hazing na mangyari, kahit wala ka dyan, if you're the chairman, you will be called in court to testify and you will be spending money. Eh kung ang initiation nangyari sa Manila, taga-Minda daw ka, punta ka doon. Can you expect the organization to give you money? Di wala nga tayo pang bayad ng ID. You spend your own money. Gawa ka ng pinagin sa abogado mo, kung ikaw abogado ka, ikaw lang magawa, magkano bayad? 2,500. Ganun ka lang yun, ang problema. Kaya ako, napupunta na ako ng time today. Because I will no longer be the chairman after 1 hour. Yun, laki ang responsibility ng NEC. Kasi hindi na ito student organization lang. We are already a brotherhood, service, civic, and NGO fused into one.